Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the transparent name asset and project settings. Export a name as PNG with an alpha channel so the background is already gone. Import it into your editor. Set project resolution. 1920x 1080 is standard, and frame rate to match footage. Once done, drag the PNG onto the timeline above your video layer and make sure to set the clip duration to match the shot. This step prevents scaling and alignment issues later and keeps colors consistent with the scene. Now you position and style the transparent name so it reads cleanly on moving footage. Use X/Y controls to lock it into a corner or lower third, then scale the PNG to fit composition. Avoid covering faces. Once positioned, reduce opacity to 60–90% for a subtle overlay. Add a soft drop shadow or 1:2px stroke to improve contrast against busy backgrounds. If needed, apply a slight Gaussian blur to the background layer under the name to increase legibility without changing the shot. Finish by animating and exporting correctly so the transparent name behaves in the final edit. Add keyframes to opacity or position for a fade or slide in. Keep motion short, 0. 4 to 0. 8 seconds for crispness. When exporting, pick a codec that preserves alpha like ProRes 4444 or export a PNG sequence if you need a transparent master. If you see halos at the edges, make sure you're using straight alpha versus premultiplied. Toggling that imports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.